Okay, in this time, I would like to tell what I get from the video on YouTube uh, about presentation, opening presentation. Okay, firstly, I get first part of the presentation is introduction. Uh, it it is where we tell the audience what we are going to tell the audience. We give audience the highlight, the quick overview. And second part is second part I get is the body is where we tell everything and give audience key point and all detail I need to know. And detail do and detail the audience need to know. Okay. Finally, part of presentation is conclusion. It is where we tell audience what you told audience and we summarize the key point of focus of our topic. And next, I will tell about the body. I will tell about the body of presentation. The body paragraph of presentation. Okay. About the body, it's about where we have most of the information in our presentation. Everything that we want to share to small group. There are two parts of the body paragraph. Number one, how do you organize that information in the body of presentation? And the second, how do you make it easy to follow? Typically, in a presentation, if it's 10 to 20 minutes long, we made 3 key points or 3 key main ideas that you really want your audience to understand. And with each of those main ideas point, you may have 2 or 3 supporting detail. It may be a story, a statistic, or a little piece of information that support that key point. As we start to prepare our presentation, we have so many pages of information that we want to share, and it's important to start putting that into place in a way that is easy for our audience to understand. And the second thing is, what is the best way to present it? It is something that should be presented chronology. In other words, talking about each step in its proper order, first, second, third, and so on. Or if we are focusing on two similar ideas or subject, it may be that you use more of a comparison and contrast formula to our presentation. I think that's all from me about what I get from the video on YouTube. about the body paragraph of presentation. Thank you so much.